Scalextric cars, common issues and fixes. If you're having trouble getting your Scalextric cars to run smoothly, then you might want to try these quick fixes. The braids on Scalextric cars become worn over time and could be affecting the performance. A fresh set of braids could make a world of difference. To replace the braid, simply slide the old braid plate from underneath the guide blade and slide a new one on, ensuring that it is properly slot into place. The braid plate on micro Scalextric cars will need the use of a screwdriver to remove and replace. The braids on your Scalextric car may need straightening out and slightly pulling away from the bottom of the car if they've become too flat. This will ensure better contact with the track. Underneath the guide plate are the contacts that help conduct the power from the track to the car. These can sometimes become dislodged and will need pushing back into place. If the car is used for a prolonged period, the tyres may become dirty and not produce enough grip. Clean the tyres by unrolling a section of tape and running the tyres one by one over a clean section of tape a few times to remove any dirt or debris on the tyres. This will significantly improve grip. You could also remove the tyres and replace with a fresh set if necessary. Now your Scalextric car is in tip-top shape and will be race ready. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Scalextric YouTube channel for more.